All right, welcome back to the channel. So I want to start a brand new series where I'm actually going to be looking at a past deal of the day, right? I'm going to go out there and I'm purchase the product. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to look at the vendor, how many ratings and the quality of the vendor, dissect the product, see if it's actually a good product. We'll look at how many sales it got and so forth. I think this will be a really cool series because I have never seen any other affiliate marketer do this exact thing where I'm actually intentionally waiting for the product to come out, see how it does out in the market, right? With customers and so forth. You might be a potential customer as well, but I want to give you all the good details and facts about the product so you can make an informed decision, right? I won't be able to do this on every single video and product that I create on this channel, but I'm going to try to do this as often as possible. So let's get started. So this is going to be a deal of the day that was back on January, I believe it was January 9th. So January 9th, deal of the day, this 28-year affiliate veteran leaks his 2025 swipe file. You can read all about it right here. Most people are doing it completely wrong. They chase shiny objects, buy course after course, and still end up with $0 days. Here's what most gurus won't tell you about affiliate marketing. You don't need any fancy tools. You don't need a massive email list. You don't need to spend money on ads, and you definitely don't need another course teaching theory. What you do need is a proven blueprint that's actually working right now. Not 5 years ago, not even last year, but what's working right now. So Jim Daniels, yeah, the guy featured in Entrepreneur Magazine just did something crazy. He literally is giving away his entire affiliate marketing playbook. So you can go check this out. So essentially this is a swipe file, right? And what is a swipe file? Well, you basically can get all the emails that he's used in the past to promote products, his specific email. You know, when you're an email marketer, professional email marketer, and the copy that goes into those emails is very important, right? And so he's sharing what his most popular promotions are, what the best products are, what his exact emails that he used in order to make sales and have success with those products and so forth. And then there's like a course and so forth. So we want to go and take a look at that. But before we do that, I want to do this as well. Like right here, boom, I'm going to offer some really good bonuses below. If you do want to go pick this up at any point, right? If you want to go and you want to support this channel, so I can actually use some of those funds to go out there and buy more products to do more of these reviews for you guys. Okay. But essentially, this is what it's like to be an affiliate marketer, right? Like I'm on the page, I've already got my affiliate link right over here, right? But this is Jim Daniels. Now, I don't know if I've promoted a product of his or bought a product of his before, but apparently he has been around since the 90s and since like 1996 doing internet marketing. And you can kind of tell by BizWeb 2000 that just by that name that he's been around a while. But he's a top 10 vendor, elite vendor. He's a top 10 affiliate, elite affiliate, and he's had 5 featured products. Now, the product did get 500 sales, right? So this is a proven product that did get a ton of sales. So I got 500 sales just about a week ago. And so we're going to go look. And one last thing I like to do is open up the vendors tab over here. And this is what I like to do, just to look at the vendor and see what they have on their account. And you can see over here, if we hover over here, they have a 4.27. So I'm already very impressed. And I've already gone in and followed him, because I like to find good vendors that can prove that they put out really good products that people like, and they also get hundreds of sales every time they come out with something. So that way, next time, and this is what you should do in your affiliate marketing business too, right? Whether you have an email list, whether you have a YouTube channel like what I'm doing on this channel or whatever, you want to find vendors that actually know what they're doing, have been around for a long time, and they know how to put together a quality product that's going to hit the masses. And usually it's going to be people that are still in the learning and beginning affiliate marketing stage that are going to buy products like this. Now, I could see value and got a little excited of reading about the product, and I was like, oh, cool. He's going to tell me what products have worked well for him. That is a golden right there, because then you can go out there and build a YouTube channel around products that you already know that Jim has gone out there and had success with, and he's already graded them and so forth with all of his years of experience. So this is what I look for. A lot of sales, really good ratings. This is just so far looking super, super good. Sometimes I believe that I'll be doing one of these deal of the days, and unfortunately, it's still going to get deal of the day because it got thousands of sales. But then we're going to come down here and we're going to look at the ratings, and the vendor's probably not going to have a good rating. A lot of times it could be 1 star or 2 star, but they'll still give the deal of the day because they were able to go out there and they got a lot of affiliate support and they got a lot of sales. But it doesn't necessarily mean that the product is any good. It just means that the product sold. Okay. In this case, we can probably make a bet that the product is good and then it also made sales and so forth based on his rating. So that's one of those due diligences that I'm going to be doing for you you guys. Okay, so we're going to come back over here and look at the sales page, right? So you can go look at this little a minute and a half. It's just a VSL, a video sales letter. I usually don't pay too much attention to those, especially when it's like just kind of put together with stock footage and so forth. I don't really need to watch a video like that anymore. I'm able to kind of read through this and find out, what do I really want? What is this product? Now, he is Jim, you can tell, is old school. He likes that, from the office of Jim type of landing page copy. He likes to really, write out what's going on right over here. I like this part. You've seen the sales pages, one guru after another's slick videos showing you their polished lifestyle, then promising to reveal their secrets to you overnight success. You won't find that flashy bull crap right here. Okay. So that's because I've been quietly making my living online for 28 years now, and I'm all about keeping it real. Okay. So after all, you're probably not looking to buy a mini estate in Lamborghini or hang out. Most of you, right? You just want to have some side hustle income coming in that can help you pay the bills, and eventually maybe it can turn into a full-time job. But I love putting that kind of copy because that actually goes with my ethics as an affiliate marketer and doing this full-time, is that I'm not going after making millions of dollars and all that flashy stuff. I just really wanted to fire my boss and create a life-sustaining, job-sustaining income so that I could actually do this from the comfort of my home. So firing my boss and having that ultimate freedom and autonomy to be able to do this on a daily basis, that was my number one goal. And I believe that should be most people's goal as well, is to make some money, and then eventually, if you get serious enough, you can actually replace your day job and then actually do this full time. So I like that he addresses that, but we can go and look. He's got all the stuff over here, what he's ranking and so forth, vendor and affiliate. But this is what you're getting. Introducing Jim Daniels 2025 Affiliate Marketing Master Swipe File. So you're going to get direct access to Jim's secret affiliate, and you can see right over here, making a living online since 1996, and you can kind of just tell the book is a little old school. But that's okay, because this guy, a lot of the core things that have been around for the last 20 or 30 years are still true to affiliate marketing today, right? And so Jim's top performing affiliate products. He's been making a living testing and recommending digital affiliate products. Here are the exact products that work as advertised, get people to buy and have super low refund rates. Okay. And then Jim's elite list, right? These are the most effective products in the internet marketing niche, the products I use to boost my profits. And if you want to use and promote only the best of the best, here they are. So you're getting like a playbook right here, plus Jim's personal campaigns, hundreds of my personal written emails, low pressure, anti-sales pitch emails. Use them to make big commissions on my list of products, or any products you want. Perfect for solo emails, follow-ups, and social media. They get clicks and they generate commissions. All right. So in this master swipe file, you will uncover. So you get all of this, Jim's cream of the crop affiliate products. Okay. So he's handpicked all these products. They performed the best for him, and you're getting this nice swipe file. This is exactly what a swipe file is supposed to be. This part was impressive as well. He's got multiple Warrior Plus accounts. There's 17,000 in that account, 73,000 in that account, 60,000 in that account, and then almost $200,000 in that account. So that's vendor stats, affiliate stats. Okay. So this guy from vendor and affiliate has been making money for years online. So you can go look over here. He's actually been featured in different magazines and so forth. Super cool stuff. So obviously he's got, the social proof and so forth. You're welcome to, but here's basically the two things you really get. You get that swipe file, which is the biggest part of this. And then you get this affiliate traffic video course right here. And I'm going to go over my thoughts on this part right over here, but this is really where it's at right here. The affiliate marketers swipe file is going to be the most important part. Now, when this launched, I don't know what the price was. It might've been a $9.95 offer. It might have been a $12.95, but the price has gone up. Obviously, the launch is over. So if you do want to pick this up and help support the channel, it is going to be a little bit more expensive, but these are all extremely low ticket items, right? Let's be honest about that, right? Even $19.95 right now, that might be a few more dollars than we would have paid 5 or 7 days ago. But at the end of the day, when you look at the grand scheme of things, people, are selling low ticket items for $37, $47, $97. Those are all still considered low ticket items. and people are selling those all the time. And so $19, literally less than $20 is still well within, reach for most people. And I consider it still a very, very low ticket item. So the cost right now, because the launch is over, like I said, but this product is very much still available to pick up right now, which I just purchased it a minute ago, right before recording this video. It is only $19.95. So click the link below. You're going to get some premium bonuses from me if you do want to pick this up. And then really the value you're getting on this is that I'm tried, true, and testing this, right? This whole thing right over here, you're actually getting me deep diving into this, the full analysis of the vendor, the full analysis of what I think about the product. And then, and I believe that that's the bonus and that's the value that you're actually going to get from this, because I went out there and purchased this product just to bring value to you, okay? So let's go over here and actually take a look at the product. So here is, I just got done purchasing the product, and then here's a kind of an interesting kind of like a one-time offer one, so OTO one, right? You actually need, it's kind of intriguing. You actually need to like read it, right? If you're actually interested in this product, usually you'll have a video right here. I do like the videos. That's kind of how I do my launches, but I actually did read this whole thing. It is very, very enticing. And then I did end up watching this entire 12-minute video right here. Now, throughout this whole thing right here, we're going to kind of jump right into the main product. But right here alone, if you need help, if you need bonuses, they've got right over here. So 10 reasons that you might want to pick up this OTO1, the Affiliate Formulator AI software. This is an actual custom software that will build full campaigns for you, give you your emails, give you your social media copy, and for your campaigns, it'll give you YouTube short scripts and TikTok short scripts. It will give you YouTube scripts. It will give you your email campaign. It will give you all kinds of stuff. And then even on top of that, which is super cool, is that it gives you your done for you bonuses, number 4 right here. Okay. So it gives you that, because this is a really big deal, right? Like I make affiliate sales because I give the best bonuses, exclusive bonuses that no one else can offer. I actually record my own just for one product alone. And those are some of the affiliate secrets. But this one, you get 138 done for you bonuses, training courses, ebooks, audio, video. So picking this up, it's a one-time offer, is probably worth it just for the amount of bonuses that you're going to be able to get with this offer right here. So I'm actually in between deciding if I'm going to pick this actual one up or not. I like to make my own bonuses, but it's nice to have a big giant bonus library, especially when you're getting started. You'd have 100, bonuses that you'll be able to build bonus pages. It actually will build bonus pages for you as well. So it does a bunch of the heavy lifting for you if you want to actually do this. Now the price for this was $67 right now after launch, right? This is a deal of the day offer. So you already know you're getting a good offer most likely, especially since I'm kind of going and doing the due diligence and a full deep review on this product, right? But I don't know what the offer on this was. It was probably, $47, but now it's $67, okay? So let's go dive into what the product, the inside of the product actually looks like. So you're going to get like a download page right here, and you're going to be able to go and download the swipe file right over here. And you're also going to go and be able to download the generated traffic from your affiliate links as well. And then you have your extra bonus gyms buyers list PDF right over there. Okay. So that's what it's going to look like. All right, so here's what the swipe file actually looks like. So you can actually kind of look at it from over here. So this is the actual swipe file. So we can actually double click and open that up. And I'm only going to show this front part right here just to, stay true to the product owner and not show you guys too much, but just to show you proof. I do have this product. I did purchase this product. This was not gifted to me or anything like that. I'm sure that if I reached out, because I'm a top affiliate, I'm sure that if I reached out, and some of these products I will try to get access gifted by the vendor, but a lot of times I just don't even want to wait. I don't want to deal with that. I just want to buy the product so I don't have to worry about that. Okay. And then, and when I read the product and it actually is interesting to me, like I really do want the product, then I'll go ahead and just purchase it. That's how this deal of the day series that I'm going to be putting together for you, that's kind of how it's going to work. Okay. In this case, you can see right over here. So welcome to the 2025 edition of the Affiliate Marketers Masters swipe file. Now he's released different versions of this, but this one's updated as of 2025, like a week ago. Okay. So the PDF report contains the top 50 performing affiliate products and services that he's been promoting over the last 2 years. So for the last 2 years, if you want 50 top products that perform really, really well, then this is a great product. I'm already excited about this product. And it's given me a lot of ideas of products that I didn't even know about that I can go and actually look into, maybe purchase, and then actually do reviews for you guys so you guys can pick them up too if it makes sense for you. Okay. He's also, out of all these products, put a little best choice badge next to them. And I'm not gonna show any of these products, guys. I don't want to show too much of the product because that's just not fair to Jim. But yeah, so this is super, super cool though. These are JVZoo and Warrior Plus products. So that is that kind of first thing that you can open up right there. This one is the 10 evergreen affiliate programs. So these are additional evergreen affiliate programs that Jim uses. They're tools that he uses daily in his business that he recommends. And that's what I recommend too. I run multiple YouTube channels and have different brands. And one thing is for sure that people are going to buy from you if you're actually showing that that's a tool that you use and it makes you money and it gets you results. And then you can go out there and actually do tutorials on it. People are more likely to trust you and buy from you when you actually use the product and kind of put your stamp of approval on the product. So he has products over here for you as well. Plus 30 promotional swipes, no vendor approval needed right over here. So you don't need vendors. So like this is a good like package that if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, you're going to get all the best products that he promoted, 50 on the swipe file. Then you're going to get an additional 30 promotional swipes and then no vendor approval needed on these ones as well. So really, really good stuff. I can tell you right now, just skimming through the first 5 minutes of looking at both these files, I've already, very happy that I spent $20 on this product. Very, very happy. I give this like a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's just an excellent product. And then you have your promos. I'll show you one of them. So you have all the promos that are in here, right? And then we can go, and he even tells you tips on how to use this, but we can go in here and we can just open one up and then it's going to open up for us right here. And you can look, they have what the product is, the link to the product. And then you can go over here, message one, and then all of the emails and stuff that he actually used to send out for his campaign. You have message 3 and keeps going. So you can just go and pick one of these products, go and get access, purchase the product, and then email the vendor and say, hey, I purchased the product. Can you approve me as an affiliate? And then just say, hey, I'm building a YouTube channel, or I have an email list or something like that. I promise not to spam. And then you'll get approved, and then you can actually he's already got the emails for you ready to go to launch. This will work really well if you already have a traffic source, especially if you already have a large email list. Okay. So that's really the swipe file. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you was over here, the getting traffic. I'm going to open this and we'll just open it right here. All right. So this is what that course looks like. And there are some images in here. You're able to use these images if you want to, different banners for social media and so forth. But really, it's the videos in here. The information is actually pretty good, and I will actually say that, but I'm not a fan of the videos in here, especially if you're experienced like me. You're not really going to sit and watch these videos, but for a beginner, this might be really good information. So like right over here, you could go and just look at like this. We'll pop it open real quick. And we'll push play.
Creating YouTube review videos and strategically including affiliate links in the description is a proven method to boost earnings.
So I'm pretty sure that that's an AI voiceover. It sounds really good. And then it's just stock footage. And so really it's just the content. It's kind of like listening. I think of it as listening to an audiobook or something like that. The content actually is really good. I've watched about 3 or 4 of these videos. So I can say, if I had to give it a grade on this course right here, I would say it's like a C. It's not like amazing. I would love the content to be better. I think it would be better if he got on screen and actually talk to you, even unscripted, and just had some bullet points to talk to you about. I think that would be really valuable. So this isn't really like the main value of the product. The main value of the product is definitely, and then you have this buyer's week plan right over here. You have the buyer's list method. And so he has a whole nother product in here. So at the end of the day, this is a really, really good product. I'm definitely very happy about the buyer's list method right over here. And then I'm also very happy with my purchase on the master swipe file. The course right here, traffic generation, might be worth listening to it real quickly, but that was definitely not the highlight of this package. These 2 swipe files are definitely the highlight of this. So I still give the whole entire thing a 4.5. It's $19.95. The link will be below. I'll put some bonuses there for you to pick this up, but this gets my stamp of approval. It checks all the boxes. It's somebody that's been doing this for the last 28 years, somebody that has over a 4-star rating and has thousands of sales. It's somebody that knows how to put together a quality product, and then it made over 500 sales. So stamp of approval, go pick this up. The link will be below. Let me know if you watch this all the way to the end. Leave a comment and say, hey, I watched watch the whole thing. Let me know what you think of this video style right here. Like I said, every video isn't going to be like this, but I'm going to try to do as many as I can. This is what you call a massive deep dive into a product. And so let me know what you guys think of this style. This was deal of the day from about a week ago. Go pick this up, and I'll see you in the next video.